Hello everyone, my name is Adam and I am the owner of Fuse Service, HVAC, refrigeration, electrical and plumbing. In this video I would like to offer you what our company can install the heating and cooling unit, something like this, for $19.99. And if you have something heating like that and you would like to get, instead of this, something like this with cooling feature, because this thing is just like about maybe $50–100 heater and it doesn't give you any cooling. Our company just installed this wonderful heating and cooling ductless mini split, which is provide wonderful heat sense to this small area. This unit can be just connected to the regular outlet, 120 volt outlet, so just like this. So this heating and cooling unit has two parts. One of the is indoor unit and another one is outdoor unit. So this is a condenser unit and it's all the time should have the condensing line. $19.99 for the installation like this. It's include condenser unit, indoor unit, electrical connection to the regular 120 volts, condensation line, 3/4 PVC pipe, and cable cover for indoor electrical connection to the regular outlet. This is how it looks like the indoor unit during the installation, and you can see the outdoor unit, and such of this kind of installation may qualify for this kind of price, $19.99. So as I said, it's going to be include indoor unit, outdoor unit, electrical line, it's going to be covered, and it will have condensation line to the ground. So this room did have this air conditioning unit, but it did have also the wall heater, which looks like that. So if you tired from the window air conditioners like that, you may want to install one of these heat pump ductless mini split units to your room. Or you may be tired from kind of the heaters like that, like gas wall heaters. So we will be able to help you. So average price for central heating and air conditioning units installation in our area, it's about $10,000 to $12,000. This is kind of installation for $19.99 may cover up to 400 square feet, which will be able to provide you heating and cooling at the same time. And if you will be able to install these kind of units to each your room, so you may have independent climate control for each room. So if you have something like additional dwelling unit, additional room to your house, maybe you wanna getting heat and cool to your garage, so this is kind of installation very nice opportunity to get more comfortable your space. Here's another example of installation for $19.99. So same unit, heat pump, it does provide you heating and cooling as I mentioned before, and we will provide you condensation line for the same particular price. If you would like to make any arrangements, additional cost may apply to your estimate. So as I mentioned, we're gonna use your 120 volts regular outlet. So make sure this circuit line it's not overloaded, because this kind of unit can consume between 8 to 9 amperes, because circuit breaker on this particular circuit line may trip. If this happens, we have a solution. We have electricians and we may provide you additional circuit line for additional charge for sure. Here we go. We've got installed heating and cooling ductless mini split unit to this room for just $19.99. And it can be installed on any room or space up to 400 square feet. So it just connected to the regular outlet 120 volts, both outdoor and indoor unit. So if you need any particular installation for your spaces, rooms, or maybe garages or additional dwelling units, please go to thefuseservice.com, book online the virtual estimates, and our guys gonna be happy to help you to make your room more comfortable. And I'll see you in the next one.